Let's make some bread. All right, so my dough has risen for about an hour. And what I'm going to do now is this technique is called folding the dough. I'm going to fold the dough. So I'm reaching up underneath and pulling it to the top. I'm going to turn the bowl, do the same thing again for a total of about 4 times. I'm going to turn it. This helps the dough develop. And that's what we want, a nice developed dough. And I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to cover it again with the plastic wrap. And I'm going to let it sit or rise again for about another hour. And then we'll come back and move on to the next step. See you in about an hour. So we're back in the kitchen, and as you can see, oh, holy moly. Look at that bread. It has really risen. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to take this dough and I'm going to separate it into 3 even pieces of about 650 grams each. So I have my scale here and I've set it to grams, and let's see how we do. So this is one of those situations where you have to kind of guesstimate. This lump of dough, I don't mean lump, but it's about 663 grams, close enough to 650. This dough rose a lot, so I actually have more than I need. But so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, and I've already done one. I've shaped one. I'm going to shape it into a ball. Like I'm making a big, huge roll. Get this underside all. One, there we go. All right, now let's see how much this is. Finish the next rising process on this cookie sheet, which I will cover again with plastic wrap. And I've put a piece of parchment. I find that it works much better and there's less burning on the bottom of the bread as it's cooking. Now that I have my loaves on the cookie sheet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spritz them with a little bit of water, because I'm going to be adding some oatmeal to the tops of them. And I'm going to let them rise about another hour and a half. Hi, and we're back, and look at these. Let me take the plastic off. Voila! Look at these loaves. Look how they've risen. So now it's time to get them in the oven, and we'll be back when they're baked. And we are back. Look at how beautiful these loaves turned out. This was a recipe for my oatmeal bread, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This is actually my very first video that I've done, a cooking video for Simply Wendy. If you like this video and you'd like to see more baking or cooking videos, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.